Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be reviewing more clothing, but it's a little bit different from other videos. Today we're gonna be reviewing more formal clothing. So if you want to go like to a fancy dinner or like a party, this is very nice outfit for that. And I would say we start with from the bottom to the top. So for shoes today, we have some Ermenegildo Zegna. I don't know how to exactly pronounce it. It's an Italian brand. These are, I think, 2 years old now or something. Very nice shoes. They have a special lacing, as you can see here. So this part is like below the actual one. So when you tie it, it automatically goes to the side, which I think is a cool feature. So these are obviously a little bit dirty, but that's okay. They still look very nice. The price for these, I think it was 400 euros. So European, we bought this in Europe. For the outside of the shoe, we have some suede leather or rough leather. So it's not shiny on the outside. It's shiny on the inside. It makes it's different from other shoes. So I think that's really cool. Also, guys, watch out. In Italy, everything is a little bit more tighter in size. So I'm wearing a 12 instead of an 11. A size up. Maybe not in every shoe that's made in Italy, but for this one I had to size one up. We come to the pants of the outfit. So I have some jeans. It's not like fancy dress yet, but it's casual fancy. We have some diesel pants. These are the Toma jeans. They're called slim skinny. When you wear them, they're obviously very tight on you, and if you have high shoes, it looks like you are skinnier than you actually are because it makes your legs look longer. And the price of the jeans were $100 around that, or €100, and I think they're worth it. I have had them for about a year now, and they still look like they're brand new. And Diesel is very known for their jeans, so a Diesel pair is always something somebody can have because they're really, really nice. We come to the next level of our outfit, the shirt. So let me get it, and then I'll show you what shirt it is. So guys, I'm back. We have a button-up shirt from Anthony Morato. It's a Spanish brand. And I really like Anthony Morato. I have a lot of their jeans and button-down shirts. I really like the designs they have on their button-down shirts. There's a camel shirt. This is really the first multicolor button-down shirt I ever had. And it's it's very high quality for its price. I think we paid 80 euros for it, so it's still an expensive shirt, but it's a really, really good shirt. It has the Morato right here. It's very tiny, and when you wear like a blazer, you won't be able to see it. But it's not for the flex. It's just for the good looking part. So some other info about the shirt. It's I have an M48 size, and I'm 5'11", so if you're probably the same height as me, that's probably perfect for you. And hold on, we don't need this. I think that's it about the shirt. So let me get the next part of the outfit. We come to the next level of the outfit, the jacket or blazer. You don't need a blazer for this outfit, but I chose to put one on because I had the perfect blazer for this outfit, and I thought it would look really, really nice. Let me get the blazer. Yeah. So guys, this is a very cool blazer for its price. It's an H&M blazer, so it's very cheap blazer. First of all, we don't need this again, so let's get rid of it. And I thought it looks really nice. Sometimes it doesn't have to be expensive for it to be nice. And I think H&M really qualifies with that. They have some, because, pants usually I don't like to spend a lot of money on pants because they're H&M and like Zara make really good pants. So I just don't get the point of buying really expensive pants. And it's really cool. Maybe it's like, it doesn't feel as good as other blazers, but for it's like $40, it's good quality. And it has some brown leather patches. I'm not sure if it's real leather, but that doesn't matter. And guys, before we keep on going, I have to change shirts. I'm really hot, so I'll see you in a moment. So guys, I got the new shirt because the other shirt, it's a cool shirt, but it's really, really hot. And I would say I'll put everything on, and then I'll show you what else I wear, like my accessories. Okay, this is the complete look, almost complete look. It's just missing the blazer for now, or sport jacket, however you want to call it, and the accessories. So I would say put on my accessories and my blazer, and then I'll be right back. Always remember, the belt you wear must match with the shoes and everything else, because if you wear a brown belt and, like, for example, yellow shoes, it's gonna look disgusting. And you guys can't do that. Maybe for some outfits it might go well, but don't do it. The reason I chose this belt, guys, is I don't know if you can see it, but it has almost the exact same color as the shoes, which is perfect. It has the exact same color as my shirt, white and blue, and I just added the red because it needs a little bit of the wow factor. So to complete the look, we have the sport jacket right here. Looks little bit fancy. If you're going to like a not so casual dance or just an evening dinner, this is a great outfit. And you can always, you don't have to make it so wow. You could just also wear a white shirt and black shoes or something. So we have also another blazer which is a little bit more darker, so it exactly matches the shoes as well. So I'll get it out and then I'll try it on. So guys, this is a Karl Lagerfeld suit jacket. So like I said before, it has the exact same color as my shoes. And this part is a little bit darker, so it also fits better with the outfit. And if you know Karl Lagerfeld, we have the inside full of his hats, and we have some pockets inside too, but these pockets are closed. And now it has a different color, so it stands up instead of going down. And I'm gonna try it on, so you see what it looks like on me. So here's it on me. I think this looks a lot better than the other blazer with this outfit, but the other blazer still works very well. And the price for this was 400 euros, which is a lot, but it's a Karl Lagerfeld suit jacket, so I would say that's more. It's a little bit below the usual price for suit jackets. I really like it. It has a lot more buttons than usual suit jackets. but if you close them, it looks kind of weird. So I don't suggest doing that. So I don't like closing the jacket that much because you look like a chef if you close it. But it's really cool jacket overall.
Yeah,
What's missing, guys? The accessories. That's right. So we have sunglasses and a watch. I would say we start with the sunglasses. So guys, today we have some very, very special sunglasses. We have some Yves Saint Laurent sunglasses. So as we all know, Yves Saint Laurent is a very expensive brand, and these sunglasses put me back 500 euros. But I would say that's totally worth the price because they look really, really cool. Let me put them on. As you can see, it looks very, very cool with the outfit. And I said very, very cool a lot of times. Now we put on the watch. So let me get the watch for you, and then I'll show you the whole outfit and I'll tell you the prices for the entire outfit. I chose this watch today. It's my IWC. It looks very cool. I chose the stainless steel because it's a very neutral color and it goes well with all the other colors. And also, don't forget, if you're wearing a suit jacket, your button-down shirt should always look out at your wrist. And we come to the price of the entire outfit. So shoes, 400 euros. The pants, 100. The belt, 100. The shirt, 80. The blazer, 400. The glasses, 500. And the watch, guys, about 8,000 euros. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching my video. You're a fashion boy. And, maybe let me know in the comments what you would like to see next.